Macan has two horns, and they are located on each side of the front bumper. You will need to remove the front bumper cover to access them. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with front bumper cover removal. Both horns are mounted to brackets under the front bumper, red arrow. The procedure for removing them is the same. Use a 10mm socket and remove the single screw holding them in place, red arrow. Remove the horn from the bracket and use a small flathead screwdriver to release the tab on the electrical connection and separate them. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.